Hello my dear students. In continuation of the last lecture, again I am coming up with the topic derivative of explicit and implicit function. Here I am going to find the differentiation of an implicit function. So the question is what? X square plus y square minus xy plus 2 equal to 0. What is 2? 2 is a constant, and here you see you cannot find y directly expressed in terms of x, and hence it is not a explicit function, it is implicit function. You have to find the derivative of implicit function. When you are going to solve, you start like that, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So means you have to find ddx of x square, then find ddx of y square, then ddx of xy, and ddx of 2, which is constant, it is 0, and ddx of 0 is also constant, so its derivative is 0. So ddx of x square means twice x, and ddx of y square means, according to the implicit function, you write same formula, apply this formula, 2y, but y is other than x, so again derivative it will be dy by dx. Now here this is a product function. If you take this is u and this is b, then you can apply ddx of u into b formula. What is the formula? Give a bracket, u into ddx of b plus b into ddx. U means x, x into ddx of y means dy by dx, plus y into ddx of what? X, and right hand side is 0. So here write twice x plus 2y into dy by dx, x into dy by dx, plus dx of x means what? 1 into y means y, equal to 0. Now you take common dy by dx, and all the term containing dy by dx in the left hand side, and those who are not containing dy by dx, pick up them in the right hand side. Twice y minus x कॉमन, dy by dx कॉमन लेने से क्या होगा? ट्वाइस y माइनस एक्स इंटू dy by dx इक्वल टू, ये ट्वाइस एक्स अगर राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाए तो माइनस 2x, एंड दिस इज माइनस y, उधर जाएगा तो प्लस y. फाइनली यू आर गेटिंग dy by dx इक्वल टू y minus 2x by twice y minus x. This is your answer. I hope you understand. So in such type of problem, what to do? You have to find derivative both side with respect to x. तो अब जब derivative लेंगे तो separate, you can separate the differentiation ddx of x square, जैसे ddx of fx plus gx is equal to what? ddx of fx plus ddx of gx you got in the first year, okay, in class 11. ddx of x square and ddx of y square, ddx of xy, and ddx of 2 is 0. ddx of x square is what? Twice x. ddx of y square, by using this formula, okay, it will be twice y. Since y is other than x, again derivative of y with respect to x. Here you can apply ddx of u into b formula, u into ddx of b plus b into ddx of u. I am not going to explain, I think you understand. And then taking common dy by dx, and all the term containing dy by dx in the left hand side, and those who are not containing dy by dx, pick up them in the right hand side, and finally you get the answer. I am going to solve the next problem. Okay. Next problem. So what is the next problem? See, question number B. Here again you are going to find dy by dx. Suppose sin square x plus cos square y equal to what? 1. Okay, you don't that is sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Clear? To find the derivative of, or you can say this is equal to what? K. It will be better. K is a constant. So you write differentiating, same process, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So you write d dx of sin square x plus d dx of cos square, and d dx of k constant is equal to 0. Then very interesting, you will see. Here you see d dx of sin square x. How to find? You first write d dx of sin square x means what? Sin x whole square. Okay. Now if you suppose that this sin x is equal to what? Imagine that this is x, then use chain rule. तो ये अगर x हो जाता है तो x स्क्वायर टाइप हो गया. सो एक्स स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव, स्क्वायर ऑफ ए फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव 2 इंटू द फंक्शन 2 इंटू एक्स हो जाती है. 2 इंटू साइन एक्स होगा इन दिस केस. दैट मीन इफ यू से दिस इज एक्स, दिस विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर, डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या होगा? 2x. एक्स मीन्स साइन एक्स. अगेन डी डी एक्स ऑफ साइन एक्स मीन्स वाट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज साइन एक्स एंड एक्स आर नॉट सेम. फाइनली 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so I hope you understand. So you do this like that. And how to find ddx of same way? Cos y, cos square y means cos y whole square. So you suppose that this is x, then it will be of the type, ddx of cos y means what? Cos y whole square means 2 cos y. But cos y is other than x. This x and cos y are different. So again ddx of cos y. So 2 cos y and ddx of cos y. If you suppose this is x, this is of cos x means what? Minus sin x. So it will be minus sin y. Okay, it will be minus sin y. But y is other than x. Again chain rule. So here 3 times I am applying chain rule. ddx of y means dy by dx. Very very important. ddx of cos y is equal to minus 1 sin y into dy by dx. You directly write this type of statement. Okay, and finally you get minus 2 sin y cos y into dy by dx. Clear? So come to the problem. So here you write 2 आ जाएगी बाहर, 2 sin x. Again derivative of sin x as I have explained. Here 2 बाहर आएगी, 2 into cos y, twice x type, into ddx of cos y. Okay, ddx of sin x means what? Cos x, and ddx of cos y means what? Minus sin. Minus इधर है, minus से plus है, minus 2 cos y into sin y into dy by dx as I have explained. Okay, cos y का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? sin y, minus sin y हो जाएगी. Again डेरिवेटिव of y with respect to x. 2 to cancel, or finally don't cancel the 2. You write like 2 cos y sin y dy by dx equal to sin x into cos x. I hope you understand. Then dy by dx, or 2 sin y, sorry, 2 cos y sin y, 2 cos y sin, 2 cos y sin y sin twice y. Okay, and here 2 is there. 2 sin x cos x is equal to what? Sin 2x, and ये क्या होगा? Sin 2y होगा. So finally this is the answer. So next, moving with another problem, I am going to solve. The question is, y equal to, suppose sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, 0 less than x less than 1. This is particularly this is valid for this particular range. Okay, the domain of the function is 0 less than x less than 1. So in such type of problem, first we have to simplify this. You simplify it and then find derivative. If you derive it directly, if you take this is your x, the ddx of sin inverse x 1 by root over 1 minus x square, तो x के जगह में इतना बड़ा फिगर हो जाएगा, then it will be very confusing for you. So applying inverse trigonometric function, first we reduce this particular expression and then find derivative. In such type of expression, what we get, we can always suppose that x is equal to what? Tan theta. You got in that is the chapter. So x is equal to tan theta, तो d x is equal to tan theta, तो theta equal to what? थीटा इक्वल टू व्हाट? tan इनवर्स x. थीटा क्या होगा? tan इधर आ जाएगी तो tan इनवर्स x होगा. तो फाइनली y इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स 1 minus tan square theta, replacing x by tan theta. Okay, and this is a very special figure, and you know what is the answer? Cos 2 theta. Here you see, this is the sine inverse, here is cos. My aim is to what? Reduce into sine. Reduce into what? Sine. It will be sine inverse sine pi by 2 minus theta. If you apply this quadrant rule, sine pi by 2 minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. Sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta equal to what? Cos 2 theta. Very simple. Now sine inverse sine, it will be cancelled. You know, sine inverse sine x is equal to what? Always x. Got in the chapter inverse trigonometric function. So दोनों मिलके क्या होगा? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta हो जाए. And if you replace theta, theta is what? Tan inverse x. Here I am doing only inverse trigonometric function here. So finally, what is therefore? This is your y, okay? dy by dx equal to d dx of pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. डी डी एक्स ऑफ पाई बाई 2 कॉन्स्टेंट 0 हो जाएगा, 2 बाहर रहेगी. डी डी एक्स ऑफ टेन इनवर्स एक्स इज वाट? 1 by 1 plus x square. तो फाइनली आंसर इज वाट? minus 2 by n plus x. In this way you can solve the problem. Okay, then I hope you understand, and I'll give you some homework on this particular topic, and you try to solve all this problem, and I hope I explain well the explicit and implicit function, and you also understand. This is my expectation. Any doubt you have, you can ask me the doubt. I'll clarify the doubts, and in the next video lecture I will coming up with differentiation of logarithmic function. Most important, differentiation of logarithmic function. Explicit and implicit function is over. Thank you very much. Thank you.